Hello students, I wanted to do a quick tutorial as to where you go for the application to the state exam and for your fingerprint. So you will visit first the Society Real Estate School, as you see here. That's www.thesocietyrealestateschool.com. That will bring you to the home page. You will then go to education. You can choose either 63-hour night or 63-hour day. It does not matter. The link is found in both. You can achieve this either through your desktop, laptop, tablet, or your cell phone. Let's click on night. That'll bring us over here. As you see, there's a few tabs. You will go to application requirements. In application requirements, you will see that you have right here, sales associate application, and right here, fingerprints. This third one you do not need until you have been approved already. So let's head on over to the first one. The first thing that you have to do is apply and get an account going. So you will go to online services. You will create an account first. So you will answer all these questions. They will ask you for your social security number. They will ask you for your personal address where you receive mail. Let me cancel. But then you will go through the process and then you will be logged in. Okay, you might have to go to your email and verify your email and then come back and log in. Whichever option that you have to do, just get back to the screen. If for whatever reason you lose the screen or anything, you can just go back to the website and click again. It'll bring you back to the application, okay? So let's say you're here, you're gonna apply for new license. Just in case, I'm going to show you this so you can follow along. You go to licensing and regulation. You're looking for real estate commission. Once you get to the real estate commission part, you will then head to apply for license. And yours is a real estate sales associate initial application. You will see that it will take you back to the link found on our website. Okay. Once you're here, now you can go to apply using online services. Since you're already logged in, then the application process will begin. So keep in mind that in order for you to receive the approval, you must also do your fingerprint. So once you have done the application, and I know that it might tell you that you're gonna do your fingerprints first and then wait 2 days. In reality, they cannot process your application until they have to receive the both. So it is really up to you. We do suggest that you do the fingerprints first, as they say, but it doesn't really matter because they can't process anything until they receive both. Your second step will be to come back and go to fieldprintflorida.com. Okay, here you want to schedule an appointment. Again, you have to create an account, so you have to sign up. It's going to ask you for a million questions, and that is including your social security number and everything. So you do have to create an account. Now, once you go through the entire process, there is a section that will ask you about your address. That is where it's going to give you suggestions as to where you want to be. Most of the time, it tends to be a UPS store. If you want one close to the school, it's 33176. They are located in Country Walk. Okay. Once you do this, you have gone and done your fingerprints. They have received your application to the state. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks for you to get approved. Once you are approved, then you can come back to this same page and schedule the state exam. This is the third option once you are approved. The reason is because you cannot schedule a state exam without that approval letter that you receive from DBPR. It will come to you via email from the company called Pearson VUE. Okay, as you see here on the website, it is called pearsonview.com. They are the party that hands out the state exams. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you very much.